Everyone told me about speed, so yeah, I just went with it. But then after I started reading speed, I found it bit advanced. Like it was like MCh second year or like third year. At that level, it was there.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members to Dr. Krishna Kumar for scoring topmost rank of AML 4 and CML 5 in MCh CTVS in NEET session November 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you. It
Great,
means a lot. Yeah.
great. Now, can I know from you a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
So basically, I did my MBBS from Kanyakumari, from Muhammadiyah Medical College. Then I did my MS. 2022, I joined in Rishikesh, AIMS Rishikesh. So I finished in September. I passed in September, and immediately after that, I gave.
I
Yeah,
think back to back.
yeah.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So you have done a great career from Muhammadiyah Medical
Tam-
College to Rishikesh, now
Tamil
to
Nadu to Uttarakhand to Delhi.
great, great. Can we know why CTVS?
The thing is, like, ever since my school time, like 8th standard itself, I saw an interview of Devi Shetty at that time. So I think I got inspired from that. So I wanted to be a cardiac surgeon. Like I don't know much about like the streams in it, like the different surgeries in it. I just wanted to be it. And at MBBS time, I think in my second year ending, after the exams, we had time. There was a surgeon, Dr. Fazil Azim. He was from UK. In Royal Brompton, he was working. He then shifted back to India. He was working in my college. We had the opportunity to go and observe cardiac surgeries at that time. The anesthetist, he helped us. So I saw the surgeries first day. I saw a CABG, then I stood for the second CABG, then third CABG. He made me scrub in the third one and made me feel the beating heart. So that when you already wanted to be a cardiac surgeon and then someone did that, so it meant a lot to me. After that, I started going routinely to OTs, cardiac OTs. Then after MBBS, I took a 2 years break. I was preparing for MRCS and planning to go for the UK path. But then COVID and all that happened. So I was working in cardiac surgery at that time in Trivandrum and in Kanyakumari at that time. So after that, yes, general surgery and now
Very nice, very nice.
back to this.
Good to know, good to know.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so once you decided how you prepared, how you started preparation, what all you did to achieve it.
Thing is actually like I did my externship. We have this provision of externship in AIMS. So my MS and finally I did 1 month in AIMS Delhi last year. Last year in December I did. So at that time itself, like I just saw there, like I spoke to the people who were already like the SS over there. So they were telling, yeah, everyone use speed. My MBBS senior, she recently gave the exam. She has also passed MCh CTVS from AIMS Delhi. So everyone told me about speed. So yeah, I just went with
So
it.
you took speed, then what happened after that?
So, like, thing is, MBBS time I read, I like cardiology as well as cardiac surgery, like, because, like, my cardiologists and cardiac surgeons both were good. I used to go to cath lab and OT equally, so I liked it a lot. So, my foundation was pretty strong at that time. So I thought it would be enough, but then after I started reading speed, I found it bit advanced. Like, it was like MCh second year or like third year at that level it was there. When I started liking it, I started making notes. I think initial first month I finished the portions. I used to read only 2 to 3 hours a day, sir. I don't spend much time away. So after that, last 20 days I revised using those notes. It was really helpful. Sir had a like very in-depth lecture as well as it was made very simple actually. A lot of concepts, especially because I'm exposed to adult only, CABGs, IOTAs, and all this. But pediatric, I never had any exposure. Like even ASDs, whatever I saw was adult ASDs only, like mini ASDs. There was no proper pediatric which I read. But the main bulk of the exam is from congenital only. So yeah, it really helped actually a lot.
Great. Can you say
I
something?
hope, yeah, yes, sir.
No, no, go
Yeah,
ahead.
I really hope the notes which I took will also be helpful
Of
in
course,
MCH also. Yeah.
of course, of course. We have a
Yes.
continuation
Yes.
program of exit as well.
Yeah. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Actually, like once you read it, you will understand. Like because I had the foundation already there, so yeah, this will be really be helpful in MCH. I read it with that mindset that this will be helpful in my final year MCH rather than the exam. No. I'm sorry, right? At that time.
Because we little have a habit of little overdoing it.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
the standard of examination is demanding to the 10 of 7, we do it to
yeah.
the 8 or 9.
It's just to be safe, like because I had a 2 years break at that time, and all this English exams and PLAB and MSCs were getting postponed forever. So I didn't want to take a chance this time. That's why, like, if I will just sit. I think the exam was easy this time actually compared to other times. It was fine, sir.
Great. So, what was your interview experience on interview? I mean, can you share something on that?
The interview this time was a little bit short, as far as I heard from the previous batches. There were 5 questions. Uh, One was like the surgeon image. There was Fontaine, Mr. Francis Fontaine's image, and I had a pot scissor, a different angle, 45 and 125, and they asked about Phenixy Benjamin and about truncus arteriosus. Like it was just one word, and they asked me whatever you know about this, explain. And it went well. Expect.
Great.
My interview is more about like I feel interview is like only 2 or 3 mark difference between most of them, so it's fine.
What is that you want to say in one word to the future aspirants of CTVS?
Thing is like a lot of people have this thing like because like nowadays you can see all this in Instagram and YouTube. People will be telling intervention is taking over all this. I'm hearing this since last 10 years. Since my BBS I did a lot of people were like pushing against me. The people they will be telling no, this is like this. It will happen. But what we are seeing is like even when TAVI and all this stuff are becoming more frequent, the explant mortality of those cases are even increasing. Like there will be definitely cardiac surgeons. There's a huge demand actually. Even in US, they have done studies by 2035, they will be needing 40% more cardiothoracic surgeons. So the same is going to happen worldwide. Like the cutoffs are increasing. Even in US and UK, the competition ratios are skyrocketing now. Like people shouldn't just think that like someone said that you should just go observe the OT. Like if you had the chance, or like you should try to work at least 6 months after your MS and see how it is, and then you have to take it for yourself. Like don't just go by the market trend. Because like at the end, satisfaction is what matters. It's a
Right. Time
yes,
to
sir.
thank and whom all you want to thank.
I first want to thank my parents, like because like I'm the first graduate in my family, and now coming till this level, it was all because of them only, their sacrifice, and my mentor, Dr. Fazil Azim, and all my friends, my co-PGs, Dr. Path, Dr. Ozair, Dr. Abhisho, he's currently doing cardiac surgery there in Rishikesh, and my SRs, and everyone, my brother and all. I mean, it's a huge list. I don't know. Name everyone.
Great, doctor. So, once again, I wish you
Yeah.
all the very best and all the success.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
For born
Thank you,
cardiothoracic
sir.
surgeon and wish you,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It was
wish you,
nice talking to you.
yeah,
Yeah.
wish you all the best and all the success.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.